Are you feeling overwhelmed by the thought of planning a wedding in just 12 months? Do you ever ask yourself, what tasks do I need to get done in order I can have a successful day? In this video, we're gonna outline a step-by-step, month-to-month process of tasks so you can feel confident, prepared, and organized leading up to your big day. You got this. Hello. I'm Anna and I'm the executive chef here at Zion Springs. We've been doing weddings for over 10 years. We can plan a wedding in 6 weeks. Seriously, we can do it. It's been done, I've seen it, it's amazing. But for someone who's doing it on their own, we have a 12-month DIY checklist so that you have a clear roadmap to planning your wedding day. At 12 months out, begin by setting a list of priorities as well as your budget. Then you can start by working on your guest list as well as potential venues you're excited about. By the end of this month, be sure to reserve your venue and also your wedding date. At 11 months, it's all about focusing on your guests. Reserve a block of hotel rooms so that your wedding guests have night of accommodations. You'll also want to finalize your wedding theme and color scheme. With 10 months to go, it's time to secure your key vendors. It's time to book your caterer, DJ, photographer, and don't forget to get wedding insurance as well. You should also set up your gift registry and start planning your honeymoon. At 9 months, start focusing on personal details. Research wedding rings, transportation, and start looking at appointments for your first dress fitting. This is also a great time to take your engagement photos. With 8 months to go, it's time to send out save the dates. You should also meet up with the cake vendor for a tasting and consider your options for wedding favors. At 7 months, it's time to book your venue for the rehearsal dinner. Also make sure that your maid of honor and best man have the guest list for the bachelorette party and bachelor party so that it can be so well suited to shower you well. Alrighty folks, it's the halfway point and we are 6 months out. It's time to finalize and purchase your wedding rings while also finalizing the attire for your groomsmen and ladies, the bridal party. It's also a good time to schedule your appointments for hair and makeup. With 5 months to go, check in with your florist and finalize your playlist with your DJ or musicians. Also purchase your thank you gifts for your wedding party. As the big day approaches, make sure to schedule attire fittings for the groom and groomsmen and purchase any additional accessories for the wedding day. 3 months out means it's time to get organized. Send out your wedding invitations and finalize childcare arrangements. Make sure you've written your vows and your ceremony readings. At 2 months, apply for your marriage license and confirm all details with all of your vendors. Finalize your menu with the caterer and make sure all accessories are ready for your big day. It's the final month, you made it. Now it's the time to create your seating chart and contact vendors for any last minute details while including the ceremony running chart as well as the list of photographer shots that you want him to capture. 2 weeks before your wedding, contact your caterer and give them the final head count and make sure that everything is set to go for your rehearsal dinner. Need more wedding planning tips? Go to our website and you can download our 12-month checklist from our answers and advice page to make your dream wedding a reality. Thanks for watching.